In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Android on a phone. To begin, open the Settings app on your phone. You can find the Settings icon, which usually looks like a gear, on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping this icon will take you to the main Settings menu. This part is crucial as it serves as your gateway to all the important updates and configurations on your device. You will see various options for connectivity, display, and more. The Settings app is designed to make it easy for you to manage your phone's features effectively. Once you find the Settings app, give it a tap to proceed. Next up, look for and tap on System or Software Update. Depending on your device, the wording may slightly vary. This section is where you'll find information about your current software version and check for any available updates. It's important to regularly check this area because software updates often include security patches and performance improvements. You'll notice a clear interface showing your current Android version along with the option to search for updates. Once you tap on it, you'll be ready to make sure your phone is up to date. From there, tap on Check for Updates. This action initiates a search for any updates that may be available for your phone. The system will communicate with the server to see if there's a newer version of Android for your device. If an update is available, it will be displayed on your screen. This step is especially important as it ensures you are aware of the latest features and security enhancements. You might see a progress bar indicating that your phone is checking. This may take just a few moments, so be patient as the system works. Now, download the available Android update. If the system finds an update, you will see an option to download it. Tap on the download button and your device will start downloading the necessary files. Depending on your internet connection, this may take some time. It's essential to have a stable Wi-Fi connection during this step to avoid interruptions. A successful download not only prepares your phone for the installation, but also ensures that you have the latest features and security enhancements. Once the download is complete, you will be notified, and you can move on. After that, tap on Install. This step is where the actual installation takes place. Once you tap the Install button, your device will prepare the update for installation. You may see a progress bar indicating how much time is left and what percentage of the installation is complete. This is a critical moment as the system is updating its core software. It's important to let this process complete without interruption for the best results. You may be prompted to confirm the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be on your way to the latest version of Android. Wait for the installation to finish. During this time, your phone may restart several times. This is entirely normal and part of the process. You'll notice the screen going black and the Android logo appearing as the phone updates. While this might take several minutes, it's important not to interfere with the process. This ensures that all files are correctly installed and your device will function smoothly with the new software. Finally, restart your phone if prompted. After the installation completes, your phone may ask you to restart to finalize the update process. If prompted, go ahead and tap the Restart button. This last step refreshes your device and allows the new software to take full effect. Once your phone powers back on, you will be greeted with the updated Android interface. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the latest version of Android on your phone.